So hi friends, the many people ask me post COVID-19 what could be the role of HR or what HR is supposed to do or what will happen in the HR world. In my opinion, I do not think there is a post COVID-19 because the COVID-19 is going to continue for at least 2 to 3 years, unless we have some vaccine. Even the vaccine when it will come and when it gets implemented, it will take time to cure and really come clean slot out of COVID-19. So HR has a tremendous role in my opinion. See, all the company which has opened just about maybe anything between 20% to 50% of their manpower and the business at the moment. So definitely business is down, business is slow. All the company, whether it is small, medium, large, have suffered and continue to suffer. And in this era, HR has a tremendous role. The first role of HR is to provide safety and security to the people. So right from when the person leaves from home and starts to come into the office, you have to provide SOP to them. What are the preparation you need to do from the home when you come to the office, and after you come to the office, how the sanitation, how to use the mask, how to keep the distance, and in case if there is a trouble, whom to contact and how to contact. This is the one job. Secondly, during this COVID-19 period, the manpower rationalization has become a very important role for HR. There are some people who needs to be rationalized in terms of either removal or taking him into some other division, placing him into other division. So that is the role HR has to play, and this is a very sensitive role, which I'm sure HR is doing, and in our company it has been done very wonderfully. Thirdly, the job scenario is extremely bleak at the moment. So many people have lost job, and in my opinion, almost about 130 million people lost the job. Of course, now slowly people are coming back to the job. So there are department which is vacant, there are department which is over staffed. So this is where the role of HR comes, to fill up the right people where the department is vacant and to rationalize where the department is having the larger number of people. And also the people have to travel to meet with the client, have to do the virtual meeting and ensure that business continue to remain. So this is where HR is supposed to organize all the businesses is done through the virtual. There is a guideline how to ensure that the customer, in case they want to come and meet with us, or if we want to meet with the customers. So this is where HR also is supposed to do role in. So in my opinion, business will continue to do, whether small or big or slow or fast, or we are learning. But I'm sure as a human being, we will once upon time we will defeat this and will come with the color flying, and ultimately the business will do and India will win. So thank you so much. Continue to do a good business.